World Health Organization leaders on last week said that the world needs to remain vigilant about COVID-19, even as epidemic trends in some countries appear to be heading in a positive direction. In a Q&A, Dr. Mike Ryan and Dr. Maria Van Kerkhove expressed concern over public perception of the epidemic as winding down. In recent months, health leaders have eased or loosened restrictions as measures like mask wearing or requiring proof of vaccination against virus.
The British government announced Monday that since 4 a.m. March 18th, all COVID-19 travel restrictions will be lifted, including the passenger locator form for arrivals into Britain, as well as all tests for passengers who do not qualify as vaccinated. Therefore, holidaymakers will be able to enter Britain without any restrictions for the first time since the start of the pandemic. Official figures on Monday showed Britain added more than 400,000 COVID-19 cases and over 700 deaths for the last 7 days. More than 91% of people aged 12 and above in Britain have had their first dose of vaccine. More than 85% have received both shots, and more than 67% received booster jab.
The United States has reported more than 79 million COVID-19 infections and about 966,000 deaths as of Tuesday afternoon, according to Johns Hopkins University data. Among all confirmed cases, almost 12.8 million were children, and nearly 411,000 of these cases have been added in the past 4 weeks. On the vaccine side, the rural-urban gap on COVID-19 vaccines in the country is growing, said a Bloomberg report published this week. First-dose vaccination coverage is about 59% for people in rural areas in the country, compared with 75% for those in urban areas. The disparity has more than doubled since April 2021. The report said the divide is particularly stark among children and teenagers who need parental consent to get vaccinated. Only about 15% of children ages 5 to 11 have been vaccinated in rural areas, compared with 31% in urban areas.
South Korea's new daily COVID-19 cases hit a record high of more than 400,000. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency said Wednesday, raising the total case load to over 7.6 million. The death toll from COVID-19 rose 164 to 11,052, with fatality rate standing at 0.14%. As the country battles through the worst virus wave yet, sparked by the Omicron variant, the government announced that children aged between 5 and 11 will be able to receive vaccine shot starting March 31st. Health authorities said they would begin to consider readjusting social distance rules that currently limit business hours till 11 p.m. and private gatherings of up to 6 people, as those measures are due to end this week. As of Wednesday, 32.18 million people, or 62.7% of the total population, had received booster shots. Fully vaccinated people came to 44.44 million, representing 86.6%, health authorities said.